Hi friends, Sandhya this side. So seeing you after a long time and vice versa, interacting with you, I've been of late I've been interacting in a different way, but now I thought of discussing few points which are so important and which were so relevant to what I speak. So as a communication influencer, I thought that why not have discuss about the main ingredients which lead to success. We are very proud Indians, and I must take this opportunity to thank and congratulate all the Olympian winners of the Tokyo Olympics and who have participated, because participation in itself is a very big event in one's life. At least you have reached to that level of the qualification, right? So when I talk about what makes a winner, I have been hearing interviews of all these Olympians, and we as proud Indians, really love listening to them. And I mean, there is nothing, you keep on endless watches till you don't get bored. So this is something are owed to their and respect to their hard work, their resilience, their grit, and their determination. These are the main four ingredients which makes a winner. One is resilience, which is often used post COVID, or rather amidst COVID. So what is resilience? Often it is confused, but resilience is something where one withstands the pressures and the struggles and think in a positive way to come out of it to again establish yourself, right? Then you have grit, determination, hard work. Nothing to beat these, right? Nothing. I mean, a persistence, the perseverance. These are things which they have no replacements, right? So when I talk about the ingredients for being successful, there are few things which I feel we should address. One is self-awareness, which is very important. One must know oneself. What are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? Then you need to have a mental imagery, imagination about yourself, wherein you imagine yourself in a particular situation, and then how you are trying to emerge out of it. That actually helps. That is the power of a subconscious mind, because once you think that this particular job is to be done, it is something wherein हर कोई आपको हेल्प करने के लिए रेडी हो जाता है. And this part of the subconscious mind then advises the body accordingly that you do this. So the millions of neurons and all the cells of the body, they get together and help you perform. Same is with, if you have a negative mindset, nothing can help you come out of it unless and until you want to come out of it. So then comes positive outlook. Have a very positive outlook about yourself. Look at situations which are so good, which are really self positively inflicting situations wherein you are coming out as a winner with all the struggles. Ups and downs, struggles are part of one's life, which nobody can negate. That happens with them. They have injuries, the players have injuries, they go through operations, they have such physical illnesses. At the same time, they are bogged down and they are so mentally afflicted by the fact that now they have to come out of this and lead their normal life. And especially playing a sport, you require full fitness. For that, they have to work so hard, right? Then you have to manage the an emotional environment which actually helps you come out of those things. Rather, negativity is such a thing wherein you feel depressed and suddenly, or you feel little low, negativity will start setting in. It's a very natural thing. Positivity, you have to actually strive yourself to get on to that mental framework. So you need to have all the ingredients to manage the conflicting situations, because there's always a conflict between positivity and negativity. They are like they are such people, like if you look at the celebrities, if you look at the players, lots of things are written. They can get bogged down. Then I would like to also make a mention that it was this the back end support, that is the ministerial support, the prime ministerial support. All this, they help them, that yes, when the entire nation, when the entire government machinery is with us, so why can't we do it? We will do it, and we will give a best shot to it, right? So these are all the managing the environment around you, which can be in any way, right? Then when you make a choice, it should be an active choice. It should never be a sacrifice. That boss, मैंने ये डिसीजन लिया है, शायद मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. नहीं, अगर आप उसको एज एन एक्टिव चॉइस लेंगे, योर लाइफ इज गोइंग टू बी ईजी. यू विल बी एबल टू परफॉर्म बेटर, यू विल बी एबल टू डिलीवर better, right? So these are few things, and then one, you need to be open to learning. You can't say I've won this or now, or I'm successful in X field, so I'm open. I am, I don't require actually to learn. It's not like that. One has to be very, very open, transparent to oneself, and then go ahead with that. So these were few things which I wanted to discuss with you all, and I thought it was pretty relevant. And once again, thank you and congratulations to our winners who have made us proud. And the national anthem which was sung was like, goose pimples and goosebumps across, I guess, the entire nation when they heard it. And I'm sure we will have many more to come, because now the grit, the determination, the thought process, the environment per se is moving in that conducive fashion and in a very positive note, wherein the support is falling from all the ends and it is being given to them. So I'm sure India is going to come up with double, triple digits. And India as a nation is full of talents. It's just that till date things were neglected, people were neglected, players were neglected, their talent was never recognized. But now I'm sure we will do it, and we'll keep praying for the players and the sports person. And bye for now. If you've liked my video, please share, like and subscribe.